Hi, I'm Kent Lewis. I'm president of Anvil and Formic Media here in Portland. I'm an instructor here at Portland State for the Digital Marketing Certificate. And this morning at the breakfast, I'll be talking about paid search and how you can buy advertising on Google and other search engines, talking about how you can target people geographically on their mobile phone, in whatever city, latitude, longitude, etc. So there's zero waste in paid search. And we'll tie that into what everybody else is talking about. And I'm also here to talk about the Digital Marketing Summit, which is on December 13th, where I will be hosting a boot camp, so a hands-on workshop in integrating various parts of e-marketing. And I also am going to talk about search engine marketing and a bunch of other, how it integrates with social media, etc. So looking forward to hosting today and in just a moment.